Have you heard about Ads Express? It is a simplified and convenient way of using Allegro Ads. We developed it to make you create effective ads easily and quickly. Now you can launch a campaign and check the results in one place. How do you use Ads Express? There are just 3 simple steps. Log into your Allegro account, go to the My Sales section, and click Allegro Ads in Offers Handling. Choose the amount you want to invest per day and turn ads on. That is all. The system will automatically choose your best offers. The green field in the Daily Budget slider shows the proposed optimal scope of amount for your offers. It is good to take this into account, particularly when you are just starting out. After starting an ad in the Ads Express tab, you will soon see key statistics: number of views and clicks on ads, cost of the ad, sales it generated. In addition, by clicking on the green icon in the statistics, you can display the exact list of products you have sold thanks to the ad. Here, you will also see the offer list with the best results from the last 30 days. At the bottom of the tab, you will find answers to frequently asked questions. If you wish to use the more advanced advertising functions, you can move your activities to the full Allegro Ads panel anytime. You decide and choose which tool will help you sell more. Watch more videos and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Allegro Academy, your partner in business and online shopping.
Visit Allegro Academy and find out how to boost your sales. Allegro Academy, your partner in business and online shopping.